What a lot of people don't realize is that the TKI measures behavior, whereas a lot of assessments are focused on beliefs or attitudes or personality type or style or traits, but not behavior. And secondly is with conflict behavior, you have to match the situation. So the collaborating mode works best, but only if there's trust. Only if people can take the time or have the time to discuss the issues. Only if they're willing to communicate well what they really need and want. Only if the culture and reward system supports the use of the collaborating mode. Each one of the 5 modes only works best in a certain situation. That is what makes it situationally based. So in sum, I would say is not only does the TKI measure behavior, which can change moment by moment, day by day, but it also looks to see, but are those behaviors matched with the requirements of the situation? That makes the TKI assessment very different than trying to measure an enduring personality trait such as psychological type. The beauty of the TKI is people get their results and they find out that they scored high or low compared to a normative sample on one mode or another. They look at that and say, well, yes, I guess I do compete a lot. I always am asserting myself. I want to win. Maybe that's not always good. I now see that my low mode is collaborating or compromising or accommodating. And that tells me I'm not doing enough of that. Maybe I could be more effective if I behave differently in different situations. Let me try that out. And we find that even a second administration of the TKI, just a couple of days later, can fundamentally change for a person. So when they first come out high on competing, low on accommodating, they can become moderate on both and become more balanced. The biggest benefit of the TKI is the self-awareness that a person has more than 1 or 2 favorite modes to respond to any situation. It's a repertoire of 5 different choices. And if the person then learns to read the situation in terms of certain attributes and then pick the mode accordingly, that person, all things being equal, is more likely to get his or her needs met and the needs of other people in the situation as well. Again, that makes it quite a different assessment than the typical one that's trying to measure your belief or a trait that doesn't change much over time.